What is up, guys? Today I'll show you this cool thing that I knew from Granny. So you just go to the practice mode and I'll show you how to do it. Here we go. Peace. Yeah, it's scared, huh? Alright, so now what we're gonna do is, you know what I'm gonna do, alright? So there is one thing wrong right now, that it just takes so much time to load the game. I don't know why. Alright, there we go. Let's just turn this bad boy around. Okay, so as well we know that Granny's not here. We're gonna try and escape from the helicopter they were telling us. I don't know why my game keeps getting glitchy. Whoa, that's a big glitch there. Oh, that's baby Nina, Taco Nina. There's one thing I'm gonna do is that, so we got the glass fuse, and what do we need? Padlock key. Okay, bulky key. There's one thing I need to do right now. Run. So what I'm gonna do right now is going to check in all the drawers and see if I can get, anything. Sorry, I switched the cameras. So there could be something here. No. Baby Taco Nina. Hey, open it. Until we open that, I think there's only gonna be one thing here. I don't know what this thing is, but it is useless. I'm pretty sure there could be something here. No. Oh, what do you got? Spark plug? I don't need that. Alright, so let's go up. And there's this new thing that I just know right now. Look. I don't wanna stay, I just wanna go home. I don't wanna be at Granny's house. She'll be kicking me out. Home right now, I don't wanna stay here. No, that's a good song, bro. Thanks, FGTV. Alright, so we got the bulky. And do we have anything in here? No. There's nothing gonna be in here. Alright. Oh, yeah, this is what I was gonna show you. Let's just go downstairs for a moment. And as soon as we go downstairs, I'm just gonna cut the game. I'm serious because I'm so scared to do this. Of that voice. Ah, you stupid shitty ass thing. Alright, so let me just move the camera for a bit. Alright, we got the shotgun shells here. And open. And now let's 1, 2. And I'm gonna show you guys what to do right now because I am so scared of what am I doing. Alright, I know I don't want to do this, but just kill me. So that was it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So hit that subscribe button. See ya.